Interested in exploring a new language? Today, we're learning Khmer. First, start with the basics. The alphabet Khmer script consists of consonants, vowels, and diacritics. Here's the Khmer alphabet. Pronounce the letters out loud. Slowly learn the core alphabet, starting with the consonants and vowels. Consonants form the foundation of the language. Each consonant has its own sound. Vowels combine with consonants to form syllables. Practice the vowel sounds. Next, move on to basic words and phrases. Learn simple greetings, like suste, which means hello. Then, learn simple question-answer pairs like how are you, which translates to Sok Sao Bai. Practice simple sentences, such as expressing your name and where you are from. You can learn these phrases. Try repeating them, and make sure to practice regularly. Practice these words by speaking them, and by listening. Utilize audio recordings of native speakers. To improve, focus on immersing yourself in the culture. Immerse yourself in the language. Try listening to Khmer music, watching Khmer movies, and interacting with Khmer speakers. Consider exploring Cambodian cuisine, and immerse in the Khmer culture. Finally, the most important part is to practice speaking with others. Practice makes perfect. Embrace the journey. Shrox's Bap Khmer. Enjoy.